Electric vehicles are no longer a niche product. They are rapidly becoming mainstream. And powering this global revolution is one company more than any other, the Contemporary Amperex Technology Co. Limited, or CATL. From supplying batteries to Tesla and BMW to building massive factories across globe, CATL has become the undisputed king of battery market. But CATL's story is more than just a business success. The story about China's strategic ambitions, the future of energy, and the evolving global balance of power. In this video, we will explore how CATL rose to top, its key technological innovations, the fierce competition it faces, and why its dominance matters to everyone. To understand CATL's rise, we'll take a step back, look at the big picture, the electric vehicle revolution. While the idea of electric cars has been around over a century, they have only recently become a viable alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. Thanks to the advancements in battery technology, the key enabler of this transformation has been lithium-ion battery, which offers high energy density, relatively long lifespans, and declining cost. For the past decade, the cost of lithium-ion battery has plummeted, making EVs increasingly affordable. And this is where China comes in. Recognizing the strategic importance of EV industry, the Chinese government has invested heavily in battery technology, manufacturing, and infrastructure. CATL has been a key beneficiary of this support. CATL's story begins with Amperex Technology Limited, or ATL. Founded in 1999 by Robin Zhen Yiquan, ATL initially focuses on making lithium polymer batteries for consumer electronics like smartphones and laptops. ATL quickly became a major supplier to Apple and other leading tech companies, giving Zheng invaluable experience in battery technology and manufacturing. But Zheng saw a bigger opportunity in electric vehicles. In 2011, he spun off the automotive battery division from ATL, creating Contemporary Amperex Technology Co. Limited, or CATL. This was a pivotal moment. Zheng recognized the potential of the EV market early on and bet big on its future. This move established him as a key player to watch. Apple's rapid growth was fueled in part by strong government support. The Chinese government has implemented a range of policies to promote EV industry, including subsidies for consumers, tax incentives for manufacturers, and investments in charging infrastructure. These policies create a massive domestic market for EVs, giving CATL a huge advantage over its competition. The government also actively promoted battery suppliers, effectively creating a protected market for CATL. Beyond subsidies, China has also made strategic investments in the battery supply chain, securing access to key minerals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. China now controls a significant portion of the world's battery mineral processing capacity, giving it a major competitive edge. This strategic approach has allowed China to become a leader in the EV industry, with CATL at its forefront. One of the key factors in CATL's success has been its early focus on lithium iron phosphate, or LFP batteries. Unlike NMC batteries, which use expensive and often ethically sourced cobalt, LFP batteries use cheaper and more readily available iron. LFP batteries are also inherently safer than NMC batteries, reducing the risk of thermal runaway and fires. While LFP batteries have historically have low energy density than NMC batteries, CATL has made significant progress in improving their performance. By focusing on LFP, CATL was able to offer low-cost and safer alternative NMC batteries, making them a popular choice for electric vehicles, especially in the Chinese market. Their investment in LFP research and development has been placed them as a leader in this space. CATL's battery design innovation also propelled the company to the top. For example, its CTP, or cell-to-pack technology, increases the energy density on multifold. And regarding competition, CATL doesn't operate in a vacuum. It faces intense competition from other battery manufacturers, including LG Energy Solution of South Korea, Panasonic of Japan, and BYD of China itself. LG Energy Solution is a major supplier to Tesla and other leading automakers. They have a strong focus on high-performance NMC batteries and have made significant investment in the R&D. Panasonic has been a key partner of Tesla, supplying batteries for these electric vehicles. They are known for their high-quality batteries and their advanced manufacturing processes. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is both a battery manufacturer and an electric vehicle company. This gives them a unique advantage. They can develop batteries specifically for their own vehicles. While CATL has the largest market share, each of these companies has its own strength and weakness. The competition is fierce and the landscape is constantly evolving. To maintain its dominance, CATL is aggressively expanding its global footprint. The company is building massive battery factories in Europe, North America, aiming to supply batteries to the automakers in those regions. These investments will allow CATL to reduce transportation costs, avoid tariffs, and gain closer with their customers. They are also securing supply chains by developing battery recycling facilities. CATL is also actively pursuing partnerships with automakers around the world, securing long-term supply agreements and investing in joint ventures. These partnerships are crucial for ensuring the future demand for CATL batteries. While electric vehicles are CATL's primary focus, the company is also expanding to energy storage systems, or ESS. ESS are crucial for integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind into the grid. By storing excess energy from the solar and wind farms, ESS can help to stabilize the grid, reduce the reliance of the fossil fuels, and lower electricity costs. CATL is developing a range of ESS systems, from residential battery systems to large-scale grid storage projects. They are partnering with utilities and renewable energy developers to deploy these systems around the world. The energy storage market is expected to grow rapidly in these coming years, and CATL is well positioned to capture a significant share of this market. Despite its success, CATL faces a number of challenges and risks. The competition in the battery market is fierce, and other companies are developing innovative technologies that could disrupt CATL's dominance. Solid-state batteries, for example, offer the potential for a higher energy density and improved safety compared to lithium-ion batteries. If solid-state batteries become commercially viable, CATL could face a major challenge from companies that are further ahead in this technology. Fluctuations in the price of lithium and other battery minerals could also impact CATL's profitability. Securing access to these resources is critical for ensuring its long-term competitiveness. Geopolitical tensions could also pose a risk to CATL's operations. Trade wars, political instability, and supply chain disruptions could impact its ability to manufacture and sell batteries globally. CATL's success has major geopolitical implications. China's dominance in the battery industry gives it significant leverage in the global race of electrification. Countries that rely on Chinese batteries for their electric vehicles could become dependent on China itself, potentially giving China political and economic influence. This has led to efforts by other countries like the United States and Europe to develop their own domestic battery industries and secure access to battery minerals. The global race for electrification is not just about reducing emissions. It's also about securing economic competitiveness and its geopolitical power. And CATL is at the center of this competition. CATL will likely continue its leadership position in the coming years with new chemistries such as sodium-ion batteries and technologies arising for battery productions. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and geopolitics and business.